In this video, we'll show you how to make your Windows 10 or 11 desktop from looking like this to this with a single click. So to do this, you first need to head to the Microsoft Store app and search for this Selene UI app. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it from the start menu. So go to the start menu, search for Selene UI and then select the first result that appears. Now simply wait for a few seconds and your desktop will turn to this. Now here, as you can see, it is a Linux style setup or Mac OS style depending on how you look at it. Here you should see all the controls like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume, as well as the battery and the quick settings panel right here. You will also see your notifications here and you should see your quick settings style here. You can also customize this layout, so if you want to make changes to it, click this three dot icon and then select Selene UI. Now here you should see all the customization options. Now if you want an easy way, go to the home tab and then download any theme that you like. So if you like the fancy toolbar or if you like the liquid glass design, so you can download it from here, or if you want a toolbar that looks like this, you can simply download it from here. Now anytime you want to switch to the older layout, simply go to this extras tab, scroll down and then click on this X icon here, and in a few seconds you will be back to the default layout. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.